Hello friends, welcome to my Matlab tutorial for beginners part 4. So if you guys have not gone through my previous videos, please go through those videos to get a better understanding in this video. So I will be keep uploading this type of tutorial videos for different tools in my coming days. So don't forget to subscribe, keep watching. So let's start. In this session, I will be handling with decision makings in Matlab. Matlab commands execute in sequential manner. Sometimes it may be necessary to break this sequence and execute certain commands based on some conditions. Commands execution can be altered by using if and switch or case statements. Okay, so we will be dealing with if and case statements here. So I will be going through some examples of if and case statements. I will explain each examples, each lines of that examples and how you can understand that. So let's take an example. So here in my Matlab I have taken an example for an if. Let me clear this. CLC. Okay, so this is a simple program on if statements. So first two lines, as you know, it's for clearing screen and clearing other workspace variables are present, and the third line also I have explained in my previous videos. That is, it's an input command. We can enter the number in this line and that number will be saved into the variable a. So this program is actually it is a checking whether the given number is even or odd number. Okay, so initially when I am running this program, the this line enter the number line will be shown and the cursor will be blinking here, and when we given the input, then it will be stored to this value a. And next line is the actually if statement is coming here. After if statements, let's check the syntax for if statements. Okay, so this is the syntax for if statement. Here we will be, after if the expression will be there, then after that execute that condition if that expression is true. Otherwise it will jump to the next condition. If there any else, if there, it check this expression 2. If it's true, the statement will be executed. If it's false, it will be jumped to the next line. So it sequentially it moves on, and finally after the else statements it go to end. That is the syntax for if statement. So let's go to the example. Here what's happening is the first one is rem a comma 2. That is actually what's happening is it's checking the remainder of a which is given input by 2. So we are dividing that value with 2. So if it's an even number, we will get an 0 as a reminder. It's an odd number, we will get 1 as a reminder. I will show you an example in the command window. When we type rem bracket open, let's say it's 5 comma 2, then I close and type, then because 5 is not divided by 2, there will be a reminder. If there is a reminder, there will be 1, and in the same way I am typing 6 comma 2, that is 6 is an odd number, then it's divisible by 2, so the remainder will be 0. That means it won't show the remainder value, it will just show you whether there is a remainder is there or not. It only gives it's true or false, that is 1 or 0. So here what's happening is if this condition is satisfied, it will display that it is an even number. In else case, it's not satisfied, that is it is not equal to 0. In if condition, you have to give double equal. So here we are doing is reminder a comma 2 equals it happens inside the if statement. You should give two equal symbols, and here after else, if this condition is false, it will go to the next condition, that is an odd number. There is only two conditions will be there, so even and odd. So after that, end program. So let's run this program. So this is happening. Enter the number. The cursor is blinking here. I'm just typing it as 100, and I'm typing enter. It's showing it's an even number. If I am running another time and I'm giving it as 101, not 1, and typing enter, it's showing it's an odd number. So it's a simple exercise for doing. So you go ahead and go do these type of examples. If you need this program, I check out the description window. I have given a link for the link there. You can go through these examples. Let's try another example. So this is a program to find the greatest among three numbers. Okay, so here we have to give three number value. Here it's saved in A, B and C, and here what's happening is it's checking which number is the largest and showing the largest number. Okay, so here these three lines you get understand, that is the first value is saved to A, second value is saved to B, and third value is saved to C. After that, checking is happening. Here let's see what's happening is there is if A is greater than B, then it's checking. There is an if condition inside it is called nested sequence is there. So it's happening if A is greater than B, then it's checking the next condition. There is only other condition is A is greater than C. Then if A is greater than C statement is true, it will show A is the greatest. Obviously A will be the greatest value. In other case, C will be the greater value. And if this condition is not satisfied, it will jump to this else condition. It won't go to this statement because A greater than B is not true. Then it will go to this condition. There is another if is there, a nested if is there, that is B is greater than C. In this case, if it's true, it will show B is greater than C, and if else, it will show C is greater than the greatest value. Okay, so let's run this program. I'm running it that like enter the value of A. Let's say it's 10. Sorry. And B it's 5 and C it's 2. It's showing A is greatest. Okay, so this is an example for this. Just go through some programs and do it your own. The program is in the description. You can download it from there. So let's move on to the next statement, which is a case statement. Case statements, the syntax for the case statement is like this. Initially there is a switch command will be there and its expression. After that the available cases will be displayed in each row. So if that switch expression supports or switch expression will satisfy the cases given below, then it will just display that or execute that statement inside that case. Is not satisfy any of the case, it will go to otherwise and execute this statement. Okay, this is a syntax for case statement. Let's go to this is an example for case statement. That is here just showing if we are giving a grade value, then it will show you the level of the grade value, whether it is passed or good or excellent, whatever it is. Okay, so grade is the variable here, B is the input. So if B is the grade, then it will check the grade value which is saved in this grade, and there is only A, B, C, D. This is a program. So go to the grade is the our variable here, that is the switch expression, and these are the available cases in this. So if we give B to the grade, what happen is the switch will check where is the grade, and each case statement will be followed. And in this case, this is the our satisfied condition. So if case is B, that is B, then if it will just print as well done. And if I am giving another grade value, it will represent accordingly and print the value which is given in this bracket. So let's run this program. If here grade is B and I am running, it's showing well done. Okay, so I am changing the grade to F and I am running, it will be show that is better try next time, which is given here. So this is, if you, I hope you guys understand what is, go ahead and try new examples. There are plenty of examples that's available. I am giving some reference website for the examples in the description. Please go through that, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.